Hi, I'm Pete, and welcome to Just a Few Acres Farm. It's another beautiful day, clear and cold last night. We've had 2 frosts this week, which is heck for the fruit growers around here. Terrible timing. When Hilarie and I came out to the field to do chores this morning, everything was white, but now, an hour later, it's all melted off. The builders are going great guns on the addition, starting to put roof metal on today. All the girts and the purlins are on. Skeleton is complete. This is the doorway where the cattle come in. We'll put a gate across here. Very nice. My guess is they'll probably have the metal all on the addition today. Roof, walls, everything. Hilarie and I have a job to do today. It's got to be done. It's one of those. And we're going to need the Super C to do it. Ignition. We got to go out and hook up the wagon. Right here, the little yellow wagon. We are preparing to clean out the winter bedding packs today. You need a chainsaw for that? Huh. We're changing the place we pile manure during the summer this year. We're going to move it to this side of the barn. As you can see, we need to, cut down some trees. We've already moved a whole bunch of junk out of here. And then I can clean out the cattle's bedding packs in the pens, and we can get going on the winter chicken house. My dad's friend left his skid steer here because there's still more stuff to clean out, scrap. And I'm going to have to figure out how to start this thing and move it a little bit. Got to clear out some shrubbery here first before the tree comes down. Once about 100 tons of manure lands on this, I think it'll kill it all.
I think it will.
This is a walnut tree we're going to take down. Look at the sap running out of the cut. Wow, I never seen it run so fast. The tree's starting to leaf out. Maybe that's why. This dropped right where I wanted it to. I was worried about it coming down and hitting one of these boxes, so I biased the fall. I did that by leaving a hinge on the near side of the notch. That way this side would give way first and bring the tree around, and then it rolled over on one of those branches and hit you. I'm sorry about that. Now comes the pain in the butt part, different from working in the woods when we can just leave the brush in the woods. We got to load all this up and haul it down the woods. We got a pretty good load of brush on the little wagon, and we made a decent dent in the brush on the tree. Probably 2 more loads, I would guess. Hey, I see something. Sally, you had your calf. Good for you. Look at that little guy. And I think it is a guy. Good job. I'll leave you alone. I just wanted to come and see him. What are you guys belly aching about? You got lots of shade there, lots to eat in the field. I think you're gonna be all right. Brush is going down to the woods to rot. Hilarie's got to open up the gate for me. So pretty in here in the summertime when everything's leafed out. You try and find that piece that pulls every other piece with it, and so it all pulls off the bag. Aha!
There you go.
They're coming right along on the roof. And Jimmy's back to get the rest of the scrap. I think we're gonna get all this in 2 loads, all the brush.
I think so.
Yay! And then it's the firewood we gotta load up.
Yeah.
Load number 2, down to the woods. There you go.
Right.
Right, Hill?
No!
Focus on Hillary.
At least the bugs haven't started biting down here yet.
Oh, the frost last night. Made them all hide.
I guess.
Cows all came to give us a welcoming party. Sally's calf must be out in the grass there because she's looking at it and lowing. There are the 2 other calves. Hello, you malcontents. Now with the brush gone, we can load it up on the wagon and put it in the woodshed. We're just getting the stuff we don't need to split, right?
Yeah, I might have picked up a couple that should be, but
That's okay. And the big guy. Yep. Whenever I cut a tree down, I'm always reminded of Aldo Leopold's story in the beginning of a Sand County almanac, counting the tree rings. You forgot a piece.
oh no, I'm sorry.
This one right here. Oh, it's such a huge piece. That'll heat our house for at least a day. I think so. The kids don't get cold that easily.
No, they don't anymore.
Hey, we have a roof. Pretty soon we're gonna have walls. Where's she, Hill?
Right here.
Oh my gosh, B just calved. Calf number 2 today. It's okay, Mom. I'm just coming to take a look, that's all. Your calf's still all wet. But he's on his feet. He's looking to get a drink. She keeps putting herself between me and the calf, which is a smart thing. Looks like he's getting around all right, or she. Don't touch that fence. All right, now I gotta go help Jimmy. I'm gonna need the tractor. My old friend's 656. There we go. Swish, sure do drive down this driveway a lot in a day. He's bringing the trailer in. We're gonna load up this Case tractor and haul it away. This wheel's froze up.
Take me half an hour to load bind it down.
You have chain binders?
Oh yes.
Okay.
How we lining up? Good enough?
Just about got one wall up. Look at that. Goes up and down.
Yes, it does.
Hilarie had to take the kids to the dentist, so I have firewood unloading duty, which is fine by me. It's a job I enjoy. We have quite a bit of firewood in the shed now. We won't be burning this till 2025, I think, early 2025, which is good for walnut because I found you want to dry it for a long time to get it to burn right. Not my favorite firewood, but it burns. Here we are at the end of the day. The contractor finished the roof, finished the west wall here, pretty much looks like, and he's just got this wall to do. He's moving along. It's been a weird 10 days or so. Things just keep crashing together with taking the scrap out and getting all that cleaned up, taking down trees, contractor working, going back and forth from job to job, it seems like. Makes for an interesting video, but a hectic life. I expect that tomorrow he'll finish the siding on this wall, and then after he finishes that, we've got, I think they're 2x6 tongue and groove, kind of like a wainscoting that goes all the way around here to protect the siding when I'm from the cattle bumping into it, as well as when I come in here with the tractor to remove bedding pack. That'll be really nice. And then we can move on to getting this slope fixed here, putting the apron in, and running the utilities. In between all that stuff, we got lots of other work to do. I haven't been showing the animals a lot because of just the nature of the way things have been. But they'll be in the videos some more. We got to process the 2 calves that came today. I got to take the bedding pack out of the barn here and pile it, and we're going to cover that like I talked about in a previous video. We're going to start chicken butchering season next week, and that'll be running all summer long. We got to get the pigs moved around, get the piglets weaned off, get them resituated in their breeding arrangement, and then I got to start making hay. So from here on in, it just doesn't stop. It's one thing after another, and I'll be showing it in future videos. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.